Okay, welcome to the channel. This week I spent my good time turning a tree into a log and ultimately then from a log into a beam where I placed between my kitchen and dining room. So if you'd like to see that process, please do follow along. I have is two 4-ton straps, and young Neil for his first time is double rigging the log at this stage from the tree. I have to use the front loader in order to hoist it up and then pull back. Now I cut it at 17 feet long. I only needed 15, but I needed also a little bit of play. So I dragged it across the field and then I placed it up on top of a lorry tyre to commence work. Now before I could work on it, obviously I had to make up a jig, and the idea of the jig, the principle behind it is it's a guide rail that I will be running the jig along, cutting the log. The jig itself then will be bolted to the chainsaw bar. I could clamp it, but I just didn't think it was safe, so I drilled through the bar of the chainsaw, and it was tough work, to be fair. So what I'm doing here now is just skimming off the bark, and that dehydrates the timber, and I left it for a day or two before I commenced work. So there's the rail. It's just a 4x2, and here I am now placing the jig on it just to show you how it operates. So I sit that down on top of the rail and then just start the chainsaw and flick the chainsaw back and forward and just skim across it. So as you can see, just a handy little device, and it's cutting nice and straight. Again, on back to the guide rail, you can see there's a nice straight edge being cut there. And I didn't exactly want an engineered piece where I had 4 straight edges, as you'll see as we progress in the video. I didn't want that. I wanted a more of a rustic look, but I still had to take off a couple of the round edges because it would just look like a pole otherwise. So that's just the last bit of the roundness of it. Not taking away the integrity of the overall shape, but definitely putting an edge to 3 sides of it. I started planing, and I get to see the texture that the timber is hiding underneath. Of course, I burnt out that particular planer. As I was told as a kid, I'd break arm. So I burnt that out, so I had to go in and buy another one. And off I go. And this is the part now where the log transforms basically into a beam. And right, wait, what? Oh, perfect.